Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to go through the back test of our new strategies and see exactly how they've been performing for the last 14 months. So, starting from January 1st, 2025 till today, we were going to analyze all the different strategies that we have and pretty much go through their statistics. So, we're going to go ahead and get started with our first strategy, 100. So, the way this strategy 100 works is that it's built to make $100 each trade while risking $500. This is currently sitting at a 95% win rate, and within the last year, it's returned us $17,000 using this algorithm. It has a profit factor of 3.77, so that means for every dollar that you risk, you're making back around $3.77. So, this is one of our initial strategies that we have. I'll go through and you can see the different statistics on the strategy. As always, we always include commission because realistically, when you're trading in the market, there will be commissions. However, each month it tends to net around $1,000 to $1,200 each month. So, of course, this is our initial strategy 100. Next, we'll be going through our next strategy 1 pip. This one has netted us $21,000 in the last 14 months with a profit factor of 2.36 and a max drawdown of $2,000. Again, this one sits at an 88% win rate with over 278 trades. Unlike 100, this one actually earns $150 on average and it risks $485. So, on average, profit per month is around $1,500 USD, and it takes one trade a day. Next, we'll be going into our strategy 1 pass. This strategy is specifically built to help pass any prop firm evaluations, and it can also be used on a brokerage account to grow that account substantially. So, within the last 14 months, it has yielded $168,000 with a profit factor of 1.53. This one has a 56% win rate, which is well above 50. And when it actually enters a trade, it risks $2,000 while earning $3,000. So it's about a 1.18 ratio. And on average, it's returning $12,000 each month using this algorithm. Next, we are going to go through our strategy 1 night. 1 night is built specifically for the Asian session. So what it does is it trades throughout the night, hence the name 1 night. And it has netted $25,000 in the last 14 months with a 1.7 profit factor and a Sortino rate of 12.63, which is very strong. It has a 64% profitable win rate, and then it earns $418 while risking $400. So it's pretty much a one-to-one strategy. And on average, it's returning about $1,800 a month. Next, we're going to take a look at our 1 payout strategy. This one is specifically built to help you get your first payout if you're trading your prop firms, or if you're just using this on a cash account, you'll pretty much net $30,000 within the last 14 months. Of course, this strategy has a 58% win rate here, so it's again pretty stable and pretty strong. And it earns $500 on a winning trade and $400 on a losing trade. So again, we typically have a close to one ratio with this strategy. But as you know, with a above 50% win rate, this yields us around $2,237 a month on average. Next, we'll be getting into our new flagship strategy, 1 Prestige. This strategy has netted $29,000 this last 14 months with a very low max drawdown of $2,962. This strategy has a 61% win rate, as you see here. And of course, you see the start date here is January 2025 till today, which is February 23rd, 2026. And close to 1-to-1 ratio as well with this one, where you're making around $400 while risking $400. It has a very strong consecutive streak of 11 times winning consecutively, and a very low streak of losing potentially 6 times. Now, this strategy specifically has earned us $2,000 each month, so it's another stable way for you to grow your capital. Next, we'll be getting into our next strategy, One Pro. What One Pro specializes in is taking multiple strong trades. It has netted $26,000 in the last 14 months, and the max drawdown again is $2,000. The profit factor is 1.89, so that has yielded an 84% profitability, where each trade is earning around $200, and the max risk for a trade is around $500. Again, the profit per month for this strategy is around $1,900, and it does take multiple trades throughout the day. Next, we'll be getting into our strategy, One Push. One Push has netted us $31,000 in the last 14 months with a profit factor of 1.42 and a pretty strong Shortinho ratio as well, so 3.71. Max drawdown of $8,000. This strategy has a 48% win rate, and the reason being is because it has a 1.5 win to loss ratio. So what that means is when you're winning, you win around $780, and when you lose around $500. So that nets us around $2,200 on average a month. Next, we'll be going through our platinum tier strategies. These ones are built specifically for cash accounts to provide high yield results, as well as give you access to a scalping strategy that buys and sells throughout the day. This specific strategy has netted $65,000 in the last 14 months with a max drawdown of $8,000. This strategy has 20% profitability, and the reason being is because on average it loses around $180, but when it wins close to $900 per trade. The strategy's largest winning trade has been $17,000, and again, the largest trade lost has been $495. So the risk to reward is very strong, as is most of our strategies, and this strategy specifically has netted on average $4,804 on average. This takes around 5 to 6 trades a day, and its average time in the market is about 7 to 8 minutes per trade. Next, we'll be taking a look at our Dragon strategy. This strategy has netted $133,000 in the last 14 months with a profit factor of 1.26 and the max drawdown of $15,000. This strategy has about a 34% win rate. It also is a scalping bot, so it takes multiple trades throughout the day. Hence, the total trades per the last 14 months has been 17,000. On average, it wins about $1,000 per trade, and its average losing trade is close to $400, which gives this a 2.4 win-loss ratio. So on average, a 2-to-1, give or take. Its largest trade has earned $41,000 in a single trade, and the largest losing trade has been $445. Hence why the profit per month on average is around $9,000, and the average trades per day is around 6,006. The average trades per day is around 6 trades per day, and the average time in the market is about 20 minutes. So again, $9,000 per month on average using this strategy. Last but certainly not least, we saved the best for last, our Sapphire strategy. So our Sapphire strategy has netted us $163,000 in the last 14 months with a profit factor of 1.55 and a maximum drawdown of $10,000. Hence, you need at least $10,000 to $15,000 to run this strategy in your account, and it has around a 25% profitability. Unlike the previous two strategies, this one only risks $250 per trade, and it on average wins around $1,100, which gives it a strong ratio of 4.59. Its largest winning trade has been $41,000, and its largest losing trade has been only $260. So this one also trades throughout the day. On average, it gives about 5 to 6 trades per day. Its average time in the market is about 15 minutes. And its percent profitability and its profit per month has been around $11,900, close to $12,000. So these strategies are defined and created to give you institutional grade access at a lower tier that you don't have to pay JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs for strategies that can provide you consistent results in the market. And you'll have access to this when you subscribe. So, thanks for that, and we look forward to hearing from you. So thanks for watching and subscribe, and we'll show you continuous updates on how our strategies perform throughout the year. We'll be doing a monthly demonstration of how our strategies perform each year. We'll be doing a monthly demonstration of how our strategies perform each month and keeping you updated. So subscribe to the channel for more updates.